update on the Sawmill. It's been super hot here in the southeast. We've had feels like temperatures up in the high 90s and low 100s, so it's been tough to get out in the shop. But I do have some updates to report. The first thing I figured out was when you put the weight of the engine on the way I've got this thing designed, it causes a cantilever effect. So it's pushing down on the back and pinching or causing an issue with how the thing would ride up and down. So I've overcome that, and I'll show you a little bit of a graphic on that coming up here. This is where we're at. As you can see, I got the engine mount plate stitched on, and what I did with the reference to the cantilever issue was I created these wheels, or put these wheels on here in such a way that they can be pushed in to the rail, the head rail going up and down, and that causes the engine to sit right. Now these things none of these bolts are tightened up, so it's not going to look correct at this point, but at any rate, I'm making progress here, as you can see, and it seems like it's going good. Hopefully the temperature is supposed to start going down this coming week, starting Monday of next week, so I'll be out here in the shop at that point, I hope a lot more, getting more work done. On another note, I wanted to talk a little bit about some 3D printing stuff. I bought a used Harbor Freight titanium unlimited 200 multi-purpose, multifunction welder off of Facebook Marketplace. It's been probably a year ago or so. But one of the things, it didn't work when I got it, and I had to take it apart and figure out I had some electronics issues, but I got it working. It's working great now. But one of the things that was missing on it was it had a cap and a green indicator, which I'm going to show you right now. So if you look down right there, those green knobs, it was missing one of the caps, black cap, and the green marker indicator there. So what I did was I jumped in a CAD program, FreeCAD, and designed this out and reprinted it, and here's the example compared to the one that came from the manufacturer. Turned out pretty darn well. If anybody's interested in that print, let me know and I'll make it available. At any rate, that's about it for this video. Again, it's going to be just a quick and short update. If you like these videos, subscribe, hit the like button, and hit the notification button if you want to see more. Thanks for watching.